Okay, this is with another phone. And yes, about the circuit with your modification. You can hear it. And here is the resistor, 10 kilo, and here is the offset 100 nanofarads. And I've also put in the back, come on, focus. In the back of it, I put two diodes, capacitor, and that alone improved a bit. And then I put your two components, and that is definitely improved. So yes, I think you are right. Maybe it is from that shit, from the sensing circuit. Who knows? Who knows? Yeah. But it's weird because if I'm not connecting to the 220, the relay is not connected to the 220, everything is working perfectly. With the ground, of course. But if I'm connecting it to the 220, the relay itself, that's why I've added those two diodes and the capacitor there. And it did improve, but too little. Yours is a much bigger and better improvement. Yes, what I want to show you right now is this very weird, that blue LED light. It's very dim, but it's there. It's lit. What I did, the entire board right now is not connected at all. These are the 5 volts wires, are not connected, but the relay is connected to the 220 volts behind, and this LED is very tiny. I can barely see it, but it's there. It's a bit on. If I'm getting out the 220 connection, let's see what happens. Yep, it died. So right now nothing is connected. This is the 220 connection, and the 5 volts are here, and the LED is not lighting, so it's not from the 50 hertz alone that I originally thought it will be. Yep, that's it. This is the 5 volts input to the relay, the 5 volts that is needed for the relay, and these two wires are for 220. It's written there somewhere. Yep, you can see it now. And here I put two diodes, one in 4001, not 4007, because it's 5 volts, and this one 4001 are for 50 volts. It's more than enough. So it's basically one is going to the plus and one is getting out from the minus, basically ensuring only one circuit. If you put the wires inverse, plus to minus, and is also for protection in the same time. So I put these two diodes for the interference, to cut the interference, as I was thinking. And this capacitor, which is 104J, says there, It means 100 nanofarads, and is across these two, and basically that's it. But yeah, I had to show you this new little add-on. It helped a very tiny bit, in the sense that the relay clicked, but it was the rest was very unstable. But I could commute. I could open the lights and turn off and turn on from this. So it helped a little bit. Yours with the resistor and the capacitor there did improve a bit more. So we need a little bit more improvement, probably to there. I don't know. I'm not sure. And I've added this capacitor over the plus and the minus. This is a minus track, and this is the plus rail, which is going to pin tray there. But this is 100 microfarads. 100 microfarads, 10 volts. It's there. And this one here, this is a capacitor between the pin 5 and ground, and it's a fixed capacitor there, semi-D. So I did exactly as you told me.